In the natural, we can get caught up in the world, the system, the secular establishment that would tell us, that life is simply redundant. We're simply to wake up this morning like we did the previous morning and to go and do exactly the same things that we did yesterday, and we kind of live a timetable or a kind of punch the clock life where we punch in at 9 a.m. and we punch out at 5 p.m. and that is the existence of our day. But this verse is teaching us that God has given us length of days. And inside of that, God wants us to finish or to complete every single day. Complete the day with what He has purposed for our life. I've hammered this point many times before. Our purpose goes far beyond the natural workday, 9 to 5 p.m. I am not required to fall into the pattern of the secular world and to measure or evaluate my life between an 8-hour day or a 40-hour work week. From the moment God wakes us up to the very moment we are put to sleep that night, we are to fulfill or to find completion inside of that day. My day is not over until I have finished what God wants me to accomplish. The very fact that God has given me another day to finish means that I need to take advantage of this new day. It's not a repeat day. It's a brand new day for me to finish or to complete what God wants me to accomplish inside of this day. I want to encourage those who are watching right now to set your focus on finishing your day inside of God's purpose. There are a lot of things that are on your checklist right now. I mean, all kinds of things, everything from household responsibilities to parenting responsibilities, to making sure that we even fulfill those requirements that we have in our natural professions, in your secular job, etc. But don't allow those things to prevent you from finishing. What is it that God has awakened you to complete or to finish inside of this day? Whose life has God called you to touch inside of this day? Your day is not over until you finish what God wants you to accomplish. The simplest opportunity that God might put in front of you to share your faith, to share your testimony, to share your life experience with somebody else in need. Your day's not over until you finish that. The day cannot be concluded until you're able to see God's signature in your life right now, today. Don't allow this day to expire, to end, without you finishing what God wants you to accomplish. From the smallest task to the greatest deed, we should always be looking throughout the entire day for an opportunity to fulfill, to complete, to allow God to use me inside of this day. Watch this. It's necessary for us to recognize that the day has a beginning and it has an ending. So God starts us because He wants us to finish. There's a reason God engages us. Not just so we can go through the motions, but because He wants us to finish. You start a race with the intention of finishing.